Welcome to the brain of a machine, uncovering the anatomy of modern computing. This video will explore the digital anatomy that drives modern machines, from the smallest transistor to the most complex system. Despite their vastly different appearances, like a gaming PC or a transaction machine, every computer shares the same foundational architecture. At the core are the input, output, CPU, memory, and storage units. This foundational structure consists of the 5 pillars of digital anatomy. Data moves linearly, starting with input, processed by the CPU, temporarily held in memory, permanently stored in storage, and finally delivered as output. Input devices act as the machine's sensory organs, capturing raw environmental data like sound, touch, or temperature. This data is instantly translated into machine language for processing. As a case study, consider translating light to data with a digital pen. The physical touch is detected by a specialized sensor, which converts the light information into a digital signal sent to the CPU. The Central Processing Unit, or CPU, is the two-hemisphere brain of the machine. It contains the control unit, which acts as the traffic cop, and the arithmetic and logical unit, the calculator. The control unit, or traffic cop, directs the flow of data, issues signals, and manages the system. Meanwhile, the arithmetic and logical unit, or calculator, handles all mathematical operations and logical decision-making. The cognitive hierarchy is split between short-term and long-term storage. Short-term processing space is immediate and temporary, while long-term memory is deep storage needed to retain data across sessions. RAM, or random access memory, is volatile and short-term, holding data the CPU is currently processing. ROM, or read-only memory, is non-volatile and permanent, securely holding essential startup instructions. Understanding data storage involves grasping the mathematical leap of the digital universe. Data scales from a single bit to astronomical sizes like a zettabyte, highlighting the immense capacity of modern storage. The storage wars between hard disk drives HDD and solid-state drives SSD represent an evolutionary leap. HDDs use slower, noisier electromechanical parts, while SSDs use lightning-fast flash-based memory with zero moving parts and lower power consumption. Output is how the machine talks back. After processing, the data is translated into human understandable forms like video, text, or audio, allowing the system to express its results to the physical world. Retro technology, like the cathode ray tube or CRT, was essentially a mini particle accelerator. These monitors used a vacuum tube to shoot high-velocity electron beams, steered by magnetic coils, to draw images on the screen. The holistic data lifecycle is a continuous loop. It moves from data collection and input to processing, then to output, and finally to storage, where raw physical data is turned into meaningful, usable information. As we continue to advance with faster SSDs and smarter CPUs, a core question remains: will this basic 5-pillar digital anatomy ever fundamentally change? Keep learning and stay focused.